Spend $89.99 and over on a Ryobi One Plus starter kit this Christmas to claim a free One Plus tool. See ryobitools.co.uk/Christmas.
Welcome back to Ryobi UK. Today I'm going to do a short video showing you a new deal in England, in the UK, where you can buy Ryobi start kit and get a free tool. Now, I've never seen this before in England. Could have happened before, I'm not sure. But I know in America, Home Depot are always doing great deals. So what I'm probably going to choose is a brushless combi drill, a battery and a charger starter kit. I'll quickly switch you around, show you on the iPad what the deal is. Right, here's the Christmas deal. It says here, purchase Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus starter kit for £89, $89.99. And over from one of our qualified retailers. Do you have proof? And blah, 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 blah. Select 12 tools from the Christmas by clicking the claims. So basically now we say we've bought one of these starter kits. We say where we bought it from. Now bear in mind the starter kit comes with a battery, a charger and normally a drill. I'll show you the starter kits in a minute. Right, Homebase for instance is the one we're on. The starter kits are here. You got this one here, the R18 combi drill, R18 PD3 2136 combi drill, and then we've got, it's the one, particular one I'm going to buy. It's the R18 PD5 120G 18 volt 1 Plus cordless brushless combi drill starter kit. Now I've not got the brushless drill, so in effect I've got two brush drills. I could sell both of my brush drills and I could keep that and make my money back, because that deal is £90 I believe. You got another one here which is the iPad 24-2S, which you have two batteries. So it's the same as this one, but you've got two batteries. You've got a 2 amp hour and a 1.4. The deal I'll be buying just got the 2 amp hour. I don't think they had this at the store. Problem is with Homebase, very limited stock. Then you've got this one, the R18 PDAG CS 24-2S. So it's the 1 Plus system again, cordless combi drill, circular saw, angle grinder, and a 2 amp hour and a 4 amp hour. There's no prices on these. This is just Homebase. There seems to be quite a few stores doing this. I won't go through them all because we'll be here all day. But you've got the hedge trimmer, battery and charger with 1.3 amp. You've got the hedge trimmer, slightly different model I believe, with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. These are the like portable chargers. I've got one of these. Had a question about my charger today on YouTube. I don't think America you can get them. This is the UK. This is annoying enough. I bought this in the summer, but to qualify you have to buy it between, I think it's the end of November and January, something like that. My wife did say, but it'll be on the receipt. But I could have got my free tool, but they weren't doing it in the summer, unfortunately. Right, so it says here, can't find, just click here if you purchased an 18 volt 1 Plus starter kit, not listed. Hedge trimmer, one 2 amp hour battery it says there, but there's pictured two. The hedge trimmer with one, so this one should say two 2 amp hour batteries, and this one's the 1.3. And then you've got the upgrade to my lawnmower, which I really wanted, but it just was a bit ridiculous for where I'm at. I mean, I literally got a postage stamp piece of grass, so I went for the small one, but there you go. So that's the deal. So you click on the one you've purchased, so I'll be purchasing that one, I believe. My wife's just there now, she just sent me a link, and there's the list of tools that you can have free. It says here it takes up to 2 weeks for delivery. So once you've purchased it, I mean, I'm stuck between the volume inflator I've got an area light. I did want the glue gun. And the LED torch I haven't got, because no one sells that in the shops around here. And they only sell the old bulb in, sorry. Right, the buffer, I do want that. So I was thinking about that. Don't really need a 2 amp hour. This is the other leaf blower that I was going to buy before. Slightly more powerful than mine evidently, but not such a cool design. And I've also got one of these, but I've got the better version. I've got the one with the adjustable and also turns around as an edge. So they're not the greatest of tools, but they are free. So I think for me it's going to be a toss-up between the buffer R18B or the high volume inflator, the R18V1 or I. I'm not sure what that is. I'm guessing that's an I, because there's a 1. So R18VI. So that's my free tool. Right, so I just wanted to make this quick video to make people in England aware that at last there is a Ryobi deal out there. I've been watching the Americans with the Home Depot videos and we don't get anything free, but now we can get something free. There you go, you get a free tool. So what you have to do evidently is you choose your tool. So say I choose that, and then we've got to go through name and address, blah 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 blah, email address, blah blah blah, and now we have the option, please upload an image of your receipt and the carton barcode, and then obviously fill in all your details. Here's a quick look at what I've got. This is the starter pack. The model number. Comes with a charger, a 2 amp hour battery, and a brushless percussion drill. Right, something to point out though, I have registered on the Ryobi website and I haven't received an email back like they said they would. They said they would email me back to say that they'd got my application for the free tool. Haven't heard anything back yet. So let's see what happens. This is the free tool I've applied for, the R18i inflator. Right, there you go, that was just a quick video, but people can be aware of this deal, and you know, if they're thinking about buying a drill and what have you, they can get out there and get this done. Just going to spin the camera around and show you once more the list of stores that seem to be doing the deal. There's the list of the retailers. I just wanted to share with everyone this deal. Didn't want anyone to miss out. That's it from me at Ryobi UK. I'll be posting this video up to share this deal with everyone. My next video, I'll be posting a video on the Ryobi extended pole saw OPP 1820. It's filmed, I'm just editing it, and I'll be uploading it after I've uploaded this video. So please like this video, and please, if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.